What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung phone is feeling slow, laggy, or apps are not working properly, don't worry, this easy trick can make a big difference. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to clear app cache and speed up your phone in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Start by opening the Settings app from your Samsung home screen or app drawer. This is where all system controls are managed. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps. You'll see a full list of all installed applications on your phone. Step 3. Select the app that is causing issues or slowing down your phone. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Chrome, or YouTube. Step 4. Tap on Storage inside the app settings. This section shows how much space the app is using. Step 5. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary junk files that may be slowing the app down, helping it run smoother and faster. Important note, do not tap Clear Data because it will reset the app and remove saved login details and settings. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick tech fixes like this. See you in the next one.